bôi hay thứ mà đó thọ của bọn đó apa lo ada pedali banyak pedali hello banyak hai kỳ thọ dan buổi banyak si lơ dan buổi hai kỳ tua dan buổi hai kỳ lơ dan cô hai kỳ thọ lơ pa lepas sila ko boy boy gitu Sino ulit na?
Nagbayib ba?
Sino?
Sila kabayib. Kabayib ba? Kabayib ba ba?
Boy di situ kau nak. Kalau boy boleh di situ kau. Kalau boy kau, kalau boy poco. Hoy 24 Castle Poco. Hoy 24 từ đó nó học luôn đấy bao nhiêu sổ lón bao nhiêu sổ lón học cũng là sổ ra
Welcome to Las Vegas. Please remain seated with seatbelts fastened until we are parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Once you arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead vents to prevent injuries from articles that may have shifted during landing. You may now use your cell phones, however laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claims, a Frontier customer service representative will meet this flight upon arrival and is happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance within the area, welcome home. On behalf of this crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit flyfrontier.com. Here in Las Vegas, we do utilize Carousel 22 for check luggage. Once again, that is Carousel 22.
sinamudra nya kumna sinamudra dole me que se dan ada ni que clear है All the tapu ga cái đó thôi cái đó cái đó thuộc thuộc địa bao nhiêu cái bé này thuộc địa nó cần bé thuộc tí cái gọi là La Spica này cái San Francisco đó Boy Hatoli Atala La Spica que la San Francisco đó Boy vừa là gì
electronic devices, remove the safety information card from the seat back pocket. Direct your attention to the flight attendants. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To adjust, pull under the strap and to release, lift up on top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tied across your lap. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 boarding exits, 2 on each side. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your patience. Welcome aboard Frontier Airlines. At this moment, we'll be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. If you need any additional lights located in the panel above your head, sit back and relax and enjoy your flight.
Como yo vi ba disit call today be thì là disit call bla 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 bla. Tôi hay bị mát đây này. Đây bà hay bị đập lo. Thôi. Nó speaker away poco. Nó speaker away về Victoria, California. San Francisco folklore.
Welcome to San Francisco. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we are approaching the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Some seats now used, however, laptop computers and other doors electronics must remain stowed. Once we arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent inserting particles that may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a friendly customer service representative will meet this flight upon arrival and will be happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance, we ask they remain seated until we return to customer-affected aircraft, and this will allow us to better assist you. For those customers visiting San Francisco who wish to visit things in the area, we want to welcome you home. On behalf of your crew and everyone who's right here, thank you for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit flightdirectory.com next time you plan to fly. There are boats right